Few automobiles have ever transcended the boundaries of engineering to become something greater than a machine. Some cars are remembered for their speed, others are remembered for their beauty. But only a handful become legends so powerful that decades later they still inspire awe, debate, and admiration from enthusiasts around the world. The McLaren F1 is one of those legends. When the world first saw the McLaren F1 in the early 1990s, the automotive industry changed forever. Created by a team led by visionary engineer Gordon Murray, the project was never intended to simply build another supercar. The goal was far more ambitious. Murray wanted to create the ultimate driver's car, a machine free from compromise, a vehicle that would represent the absolute pinnacle of automotive engineering. Released in 1992 and continuing into the mid-1990s, the McLaren F1 shattered expectations. Its naturally aspirated BMW-built V12 engine produced extraordinary performance. Its revolutionary carbon fiber monocoque chassis brought Formula One technology to the road. Its center driving position placed the driver at the heart of the machine. At a time when manufacturers relied heavily on turbochargers and electronic aids, the McLaren F1 chose purity. The result was astonishing. In 1998, it became the fastest production car in the world, reaching a top speed of 240.1 miles per hour. More than 25 years later, it remains one of the fastest naturally aspirated production cars ever built. Only 106 examples were produced. Each one became automotive royalty. Collectors fought for ownership. Auction prices climbed into the tens of millions. Museums displayed them like priceless works of art. For many enthusiasts, the McLaren F1 became more than a car. It became a dream. But even legends are not immune to time, and sometimes forgotten treasures disappear into darkness. Hidden inside an aging warehouse beneath decades of dust, grime, and neglect sat a 1995 McLaren F1, once celebrated, once admired, now abandoned. Its paint had lost its brilliance beneath layers of dirt. Rubber components had deteriorated. Interior surfaces showed the scars of time. Corrosion had begun creeping into exposed metal hardware. Dust filled every vent, every corner, every hidden cavity. To most people, it looked like a tragedy. To a dedicated restoration team, it looked like an opportunity to bring history back to life. The workshop stood empty. Bright overhead lights reflected across polished concrete floors. Workbenches waited in silence. Tool cabinets lined the walls. Computer stations displayed engineering schematics. Measurement equipment stood ready. Nothing had been touched. The project sat at 0% completion. No parts restored. No systems rebuilt. No shortcuts planned. Only a vision. The challenge was enormous. The responsibility was even greater. Because this was not simply another classic car. This was a McLaren F1. The first stage began with the foundation. Before performance, before appearance, before power, every great automobile relies upon structural integrity. The restoration team carefully disassembled the vehicle. Each component was documented, photographed, cataloged, and inspected. Carbon fiber panels were removed. Suspension components were detached. Interior assemblies were extracted. Mechanical systems were separated from the chassis. Slowly, the vehicle revealed its skeleton. The carbon fiber monocoque represented one of the most advanced structures ever installed in a road car during its era. Lightweight, yet incredibly strong, it formed the backbone of the entire vehicle. Technicians performed microscopic inspections across critical mounting points. Laser measurement systems verified alignment tolerances. Areas showing wear were analyzed and reinforced according to factory specifications. Every weld, every fastener, every structural component underwent scrutiny. Nothing escaped inspection. The process was painstaking. Hours became days. Days became weeks. Piece by piece, the foundation regained its strength. As the chassis returned to life, attention shifted toward the body. The McLaren F1's shape was never accidental. Every curve served a purpose. Every vent directed airflow. Every contour balanced performance and beauty. Carbon fiber specialists carefully repaired damaged body panels. Layers of composite material were reconstructed using techniques remarkably similar to those employed during original production. Sheets of carbon fiber were cut with precision. Resin systems were prepared. Vacuum curing processes restored structural integrity. Panel gaps were measured repeatedly until perfection was achieved. The team understood something important. If the proportions were even slightly incorrect, the car would lose part of its identity. This wasn't simply restoring a body. This was preserving automotive history. Gradually, the recognizable silhouette began to emerge once again. The low nose, the sweeping greenhouse, the dramatic rear deck, the unmistakable profile that had captivated enthusiasts for decades. And yet the most important component remained absent: the heart, the legendary BMW V12. Few engines possess the reputation of the S70/2. Developed specifically for the McLaren F1 by BMW Motorsport, the naturally aspirated 6.1-liter V12 became an engineering masterpiece. Producing over 600 horsepower without forced induction, it delivered breathtaking performance while maintaining remarkable refinement. Its throttle response became legendary. Its sound became unforgettable. Its engineering became timeless. When the engine arrived at the assembly area, technicians approached it with reverence. Years of neglect had left visible scars. Carbon deposits coated internal passages. Gaskets had deteriorated. Lubrication systems required rebuilding. Every major component would need attention. Each piston returned to factory specifications. Camshafts were carefully inspected for wear. Valve train components were rebuilt. Nothing was rushed. The objective was not merely functionality, the objective was perfection. Slowly, the engine transformed from a neglected relic into a masterpiece of engineering once more. Polished aluminum surfaces reflected workshop lights. Fresh gaskets sealed critical interfaces. Fasteners returned to their designated positions. Torque specifications were followed with absolute precision. And when the final valve cover was secured, the V12 looked ready for another generation of service. Yet an engine alone cannot move a vehicle. Power must travel through a sophisticated network of systems. Transmission specialists turned their attention toward the drivetrain. The 6-speed manual gearbox represented another crucial element of the McLaren experience. Gear synchronizers were inspected, bearings replaced, internal mechanisms rebuilt, differentials were serviced, drive shaft assemblies restored, suspension components received equal attention, control arms were refinished, bushings replaced, shock absorbers rebuilt, brake assemblies underwent comprehensive restoration, calipers were stripped and refinished, rotors resurfaced, hydraulic systems renewed. Every component served a purpose. Every component contributed to performance. Every component deserved perfection. As the vehicle approached 70% completion, complexity increased dramatically. Modern observers often underestimate the sophistication hidden beneath a supercar's bodywork. Thousands of electrical connections must function flawlessly. Sensors must communicate accurately. Control systems must operate seamlessly. Technician specialists followed. Machine polishers glided across carbon fiber panels. Ceramic coatings enhanced gloss. Microfiber cloths removed the final traces of dust. The transformation was astonishing. The same vehicle once hidden beneath grime now reflected the workshop like a mirror. 98% complete. One moment remained, the moment everyone had anticipated. Silence filled the workshop. Engineers gathered nearby. Technicians watched quietly. Years of engineering history rested on what would happen next. The key moved toward the ignition. A click. Fuel pumps awakened. Electronic systems initialized. Dashboard indicators illuminated. The starter motor engaged. For a brief moment, nothing happened. Then came the first combustion pulse. A second, a third, and suddenly the BMW V12 roared to life. The sound filled the workshop, deep, mechanical, organic, alive. The engine settled into a smooth idle. Subtle vibrations traveled through the chassis. Smiles appeared across exhausted faces. Some engineers laughed, others simply watched. Months of effort had become reality. The heart was beating again. The final stage arrived. The first drive. The workshop doors opened slowly. Sunlight flooded the floor. The McLaren F1 rolled forward. Its wheels turned under their own power for the first time since restoration began. Acceleration felt effortless. The V12 responded instantly. The steering communicated every surface detail. The brakes operated flawlessly. The suspension balanced comfort and precision. Everything worked exactly as intended, exactly as engineered, exactly as history demanded. As the vehicle disappeared down the road, the restoration became something larger than a project. It became a reminder that great engineering never truly ages, a reminder that craftsmanship remains timeless, a reminder that passion can preserve history. The McLaren F1 changed the automotive world when it first appeared. Its influence can still be seen in modern hypercars, carbon fiber construction, driver-focused design, lightweight engineering, naturally aspirated excellence. Manufacturers continue chasing ideals first demonstrated by this remarkable machine, and perhaps that is why enthusiasts continue to admire it decades later. Because the McLaren F1 represents something increasingly rare, a vision uncompromised by trends, a masterpiece created by engineers pursuing perfection, a machine that became a legend, and now, after years of neglect and months of painstaking restoration, that legend lives once more. Not hidden beneath dust, not forgotten inside a warehouse, but exactly where it belongs, on the road, alive, timeless, and ready to inspire the next generation of dreamers.
This video uses AI-generated visuals to bring this concept to life. All designs, values, and transformations are estimates based on similar real-world properties. This is a conceptual visualization created for educational and entertainment purposes. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.